Over there, say da my, what you pre? No for you understand? No umpus innovator, they are live in colors, and you don't know the thing set. Big up all of my real fans, they must say innovator, but my, one love.
Innovator, welcome. So innovator, tell us who is innovator?
Different still material. Innovator is a creative person, you know, just creative body, you know. When they forget what I say, innovator is a youth who say creative, create slangs, create a bag of thing. Innovator, innovative. You understand me, General?
As the name suggests?
Definitely.
So how did you come up with that name?
You know, it's a different still me not lying. You know, so me the name that kind. You know, so somebody steal the name. You understand? And you don't know, girl idiot. You know, say, girl idiot. I am the same one. Come up with the innovator and I say, you know the youth that to innovate. Right now we name nothing normal. And I say, yeah, real talk. And I say, me go innovator. So I saw me come up with the name of General, you understand? Definitely.
So innovator, we know that you're around with the Pink Boss himself. So I know that from your role with Pink Boss, half you put out some crazy work. So tell us about some of the songs that you have in the streets right now.
Yeah, I don't know Pink Boss and my brother and in a real life same way. I don't know how innovative we're saying. Is it progressive? You understand? So innovator have a bag of crazy lyrics right now. Lyrics gallow right now if you take on the street grimy. You don't know a loan work. Right now I just loan work. You understand? Because the people they love my body now. We have whole heap of song, whole heap of new song ready to touch the road. Couple song show out on the road. You understand? But you don't know the feedback. You see it? Definitely.
So earlier you were talking about a show that you did. So tell us about that show and how fans reacted to you.
Yeah, you don't know anyway innovator going innovator crowd pleaser, you know. Definitely, you know. Because once innovator go on show, you don't know the people then just come to see innovator and you don't know say yeah, when I go on show I have to put up my 100%. You understand? Best. So if I go on when Michelle down the show them, I have to pray back and say yeah. You know say I deal with the right way and deal with the official. Any show I go man a problem with general man. I crowd pleaser man. The people that love me bad, definitely. Yes.
So you have any shows coming up so fans can come out and see you?
Yeah, I don't know. Next month, 27, we have one show at Negril. You understand? Down there, so a whole heap of people are come out for see me. You see it on the beach. Right out on the beach, you understand? So you don't know, me have a couple show in like corners and me have a show tomorrow also, Palinstead. So you don't know, a whole heap of people can show about, you understand? Definitely.
So, when you're in the streets, tell us how fans react to you whenever they see you.
Oh my gosh. When innovator roll out to the daddy, imagine when car window wind down in our states and a roll and imagine when the people them if they see one glimpse of your style. Jesus Christ, I innovated that. General, imagine, me just said that, you understand? Yeah. Can't walk in peace on the street, man. You understand?
Where's them flock you?
May I tell you say, once me say hello, a problem. My, over there. You understand? The people they love me bad, man. Bless up to all of my fans and my love innovator bad. Enough respect, you understand, loving no bad.
So, I know you're pushing out a lot of work on social media, you're promoting it. Definitely. Tell us how fans react to you there.
But on Instagram still now. Normally I don't know what they mean if you get my password and something. No, it fly up in our system, so you don't know anything active because I clap almost 20k per Instagram and you don't know how many followers that. So you don't know people that love my bad on the social media, Facebook, same way. But then they add the Facebook page and something, so I have to get a fresh one. You understand? But you don't know the people that love my bad man. Snapchat, burn up, Instagram, BYT. Fans them love my bad. You understand the Jamaican people, them tune into it thing every minute, every second. You see it and view it thing. I love that. You understand? So social media thing, the real innovator. Definitely. You see it?
So among the works that you have going out, can fans expect EP, mixtape, or album from you anytime soon?
Yeah, definitely. You know, it's a couple of videos I'm going to release very, very shortly. We have a couple of videos I'm going to send out shortly, man. You understand? Because I want to shot a video for the ta-da-da-da. Them can look out for it. People just look out for it. You understand? Plus, we have a couple of new videos I'm going to shell off. Definitely. You see me? You know, we are going to shot an EP. Definitely. So, you don't know anyone out of boat. You see it, my general?
So tell us about some of the production houses, as in producers who are pushing innovator right now.
Oh Okay, definitely. You know, say a whole heap of producer want to work with the artist, and me I work with couple producer, and you don't know the thing, you understand? But you don't know the thing going on, my general. Me just a go and who work with who me I work with right now at the moment. You don't know the people they love my bad everywhere, you know. I just me, I put in the work fully now, fully effect. You understand? Coming at them extra hard. Definitely, my general. You see it? Mm-hmm.
So for people, promoters out there who want a dub, who want a jingle, where can they get it? Or who can they contact?
Yeah man, definitely man, you see pre, you are going, you don't know the real innovator. On Instagram, you understand? You don't know Twitter. Innovator, hello. One knock, phone number, bookings, 851-7446. You see pre? And you don't know the thing going on, my general. The real innovator on Instagram. You see it?
So if they want to get your music video on YouTube, what can they search for? Your YouTube page, Viva page. Tell us about it.
You are going the Viva page. You don't know Innovator LO/ You see pre, so you can just check it out right there and get everything. You see pre? Right there. Definitely.
Well, thank you, Innovator, for taking the time out. One Knock TV. Don't know.
Bless up, my general. I don't know the thing going on. Innovator. No umpis kumpe thing. Watch it pre now. Watch it now. Fall in love. 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 Yeah. We fall in love every day. When the day in the show you, me have as me song, you have it, just stop think about you. Me look for your picture, same time me want to see you. Baby girl, me long for meet you. Baby, me love you, love me, love you, love. Baby girl, me love you, love me, love you, love. In this time you hard to find a girl we're real. So me a feature Rachel. Hello now, my, no further double. I'm out.